That's why, you know, you got that money pull up on this blow, yeah, money pull up.
Protesters seemed confused about what exactly the protest was about and the functions of the FID. You have a placard saying Dennis Chung and the FID. What do you know about the FID? Well, I don't know. I don't know but you know, I'm here for a change. He cannot lead the FID. He doesn't have the qualifications to lead the FID. Why I said that? What do you understand about the agency itself? I don't understand about the agency, but all I know. Protesters seemed confused about what exactly the protest was about and the functions of the FID. You have a placard saying Dennis Chung and the FID. What do you know about the FID? Well, I don't know. I don't know but you know, I'm here for a change. He cannot lead the FID. He doesn't have the qualifications to lead the FID. Why I said that? What do you understand about the agency itself? I don't understand about the agency, but all I know is that the man only can account. And know it was an organization that was formed to politicians to declare the assets true. Chung don't support it. That's the Integrity Commission though, not the FID. You just mentioned one. 6 and a half years. I'm not sure. But that's it. Why Chung must go? Because he's not qualified. Why do you say the agency is corrupt? No, they don't investigate no crime. They investigate in corruption. That aside, the PNP.
Problem with that is the problem with politics. Let me tell you something. All of them, you know, if them enumerated, you know, them have a vote, you know. All of them the ways to talk like a while. For them vote and your vote based on the constituency we're in, have the same value. And that's a problem with politics, you know, people. You see Spartan them, one time me do a psychology class, right? Me do a psychology class and I say, yo, let me read up on the Spartan them, right? Or the Spartan them when babies were born. When babies were born in a Greece. The Spartan them look for the fittest of the fittest babies them, and they say the one them where them deemed unfit or the one when like children were born in like Down syndrome or any form of, you know, visible impairment or anything like that, or you know, say the Spartan them throw them off at the cliff them. And I read it, I say, yo, that cruel. The Spartan them take the youth them way. Have some form of, you know, and throw them off. I say, yo, Spartan them evil, man. I say Spartan them cool. See? And I read further into the story and we realize, say, though cruel, the Spartan them would have a policy where them say, or other philosophy where them say the greater good. Because when them throw off the youth them off of the cliff based on the information, is that them say, yo, if war if you come on them thing there, them don't want a weak soldiers. Yeah? So them want a society with strong people, healthy people, so forth and so on. So the whole idea was like it was for the greater good. And I believe that we as black people, we don't get the greater good because we have so many people among us. Like majority of our people are illiterate, majority of our people are uneducated to the point where them gullible, so them easily led. And so that's one of the main problem with African people, you know, especially we come from the West, coming in the West where through slavery. Our migration, if people want to have it that way. But the main problem with black people, why we stay at the bottom of the totem, is that we don't have a thing named the greater good. Like we not have no sacrifice and anything there. We not have no extreme measures then for the greater good. And that the black people now, when I have no extreme measures for the greater good. You see, white people, you know, at one point, those white people used to serve in the military for the quote unquote US and them thing, and then black people, them start use black people in the military. At one point, you know, what was for the greater good? The greater good was, yo, you gotta fight for them land, you know, you gotta fight the Spanish them. You gotta fight the Indian them. Yeah? The Spaniard them, the people from Spain used to fight among the different tribes them in a them, you know, society that like the Aztec them and them people there. But them actually send them people go war, send them in the trenches, send them go, you know, play and drop explosive on them and all them things, and come back from war, and some of them tear up and some and thousands of coffins and all them things there. And them look upon that as the European, them look upon that and say, you know, say all of that sacrifice are for the greater good. And so them used to look upon it, you know. They used to look upon them sacrifice and say, this is for the greater good. And to this day, them still practice that. No black people joining that thing, and black people don't even know where they're joining for, but I guess some people get the perks from it, some people get the benefits from the military and them things, so them join it. You know, I encourage youth, you know, especially the youth them where I show signs of weakness. Because majority of the youth them, you know, weak out and that on shark and them thing, that on whale and them thing, that on sprat. So I kind of encourage the youth them, say, yo, you know, you need to tough up, yeah, and can get out of the military, especially if we're in America and place, because they have a lot of benefits. You know, instead of go down Atlanta, go cack off and turn wheel. You see? So, the greater good is something where we don't really practice as black people. So, you find out them people here, the military people now, can hold we back. And I mean, insinuates if arm people and them, just to show you how over time how the people them get to hold about the people them where see themselves as inferior, see themselves as, you know, the lower class, them can't move from where them need people for, yeah. Them people they hold back literacy, and these people them follow blindly. And that is the reason why Jamaica is not better than what it is today. That's the reason why Jamaica is not better than what it is today. That's the reason why my man at PJ Parties could do 14 years plus, and then PNP take it and do another 4 years. These are the reasons why, because we have these people, we have the type of people here where very illiterate and easily led. All they have to do is just go in a constituency and just find them and maybe give them some little handout, give them a little change. Give them a placard and them come, them don't even know what right on the placard. You see me I say, you see a woman about a placard and she say, Dennis the apprentice. Dennis the apprentice. I mean, no say if you take the placard for her and say, spell apprentice. I am for gear it and say, show me apprentice on it. She would have come and show you which one of the word mean apprentice. Because somebody obviously wrote, you know, some of the things them we see them have today. People wrote them, the people who exploit them wrote these things and give them and say, go out there and hold it up. You see me I say, so them come and pick up them placard and them don't even know what upon the placard. Because I guarantee you say, the people them where them give these things to hold up and I tell them don't know, them have a clue, them never have a clue what is the hiring. Them don't have a clue where Dennis Chung job is. I tell you that. Them don't even know. And last time I tell you something, you know, I want to take note, brethren. I tell you last night, I said this was not about Dennis Chung per se. This was not really about Dennis Chung. Dennis Chung thing is a smoke screen. Notice today what happened. Today, you got a PNP campaign, and that you get today. You just get a campaign. Them a campaign across the country from the other day, and them are going to some small locations, some small venues, and make it look like people there. Them go at the campaign stops them, and people just bored. Then go at the campaign stops them. You see Dr. Daz, I put up chart, a show about drill, and the people, I can say people them bored out of their mind. Mark Golding, I repeat the same thing over and over and over with him tongue long out syndrome, and just a walk with his tongue out of head. It's like, maybe they dip on the road so long and then I run around the country so long and people just tired to see them. Andrew Holness just ring out all of the orange juice. I bring it down to the wire, and the wire where Andrew Holness, I bring it down to the wire. It's very, 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 very uncomfortable for the PNP them. So my time you see them take off some of the people off at the front line, when you look, you see them put them back. You understand me? I say because them don't want to get over the expose, so them have to try to hold them back for when Andrew call the election and put them out there. So this new thing where them start now, so them want to protest against every little thing you see them out there protest from what they. Them a protest, and them send out JFJ go protest. Nobody can tell me otherwise. And them send out the nurse, them go protest. Nobody can tell me otherwise. And I say, oh, say for them send them out, oh, Tufton and Babsy Grange. No, Tufton and Babsy Grange smart. Tufton and Babsy Grange realize, say, yo, we can't make PNP take over the protest. And Tufton and Babsy Grange have to get involved and go up there to go well to something. And I say, we want justice. We want justice. We want justice now. We want justice now. You have to say, why Tufton them in a protest? I say, we want justice now. We want justice now. And the man they are jail. And that's what I say. The message never make no sense. But of course, Tufton and Babsy Grange and Juliet them and so forth, them have to jump in because them realize like the PNP them it a brew, them a try hijack all of these events will unfold, all of these situations were happening. Them try hijack them and them a try launch protests across Jamaica because they have no momentum, no steam, no they on them campaign trail. We watch the other day them go down to one place. And when they go at the place, go do them campaign stop. Then put on Anthony Cruz on the stage. And I shared the video and I think I took it down. And the people them just walk out, left the PNP them on the platform and Anthony Cruz. So the point when the people them start left, the PNP them were on the platform, walk off, left Anthony Cruz up there still a sing. When you look the venue empty and Anthony Cruz there on stage still a sing. And the venue and the people them on the platform to the point where one of the women have to come back and say, come. We need to sing the anthem, we need to sing the anthem. And so then the people don't know what to do already. Gone about them, the few people where they're gone about them business, brethren. And that are the problem that was facing, or that is facing the People's National Party. So this, me telling you last night, said it's long time they want to do this. Long time they want to protest, long time, but them I hope say the protest would have swell from the boy near Richard Curry. Then them go to Rattigan them. Then after Rattigan them, Zane, them go to illicit enrichment. Then come keep press conference. The prime minister Andrew Holness must resign, and you know can't have him around the country because him under investigation. They've been trying to have this protest for so long, brethren. You see, today them get some people where them able to convince the FID man is an apprentice, and convince some people say this FID man not qualified. They don't know what qualification means. So then if we can you know, get some people from them campaign rallies, them these are those people who come from campaign rallies. You know, strange Jamaican will get up this morning and say we are go there go protest against Dennis Chung. You know, Jamaican will get up with concern Jamaican and say, yo, this man here, I go cost my children them lunch money. This man I go cost my children them you know, meal. this man going to cost me my job, this man going to cost the country for this. No, well-thinking Jamaican not out there. It's not like the gas riot when people literally have to go at the pump and pay more money. And people just say, yeah, we're against this. You see what I say? So, when you really check out what happened today, I'm glad to say enough JLP never turn out. And I think the police may have tried some harder too. So I'm glad to say it ended peacefully. It's not a good look for Jamaica because tomorrow you're going to see it in the Guardian. Then you're going to see it for all of the medium, especially the British media. The British media, they're going to pick it up. Because Mark Golding are British. Some of the Canadian media, they're going to pick it up and they're going to show it and make it look like, say, yeah man, Mark Golding was able to, the PNP, the Jamaican people, they're not going to say the PNP. They must say Jamaican people demonstrating against current administration, Andrew Holness administration. And that's going to be all over the Caribbean and all them something there. You understand what I say? So that was the aim, that was the objective. The objective of Mark Golding was achieved is to spread it to the world that Andrew Holness, the people of Jamaica are not with Andrew Holness. And that's the problem. These people were out there to their protest. That's just the regulars them from them campaign stops them. It's just the same set of people them where them recruit or where them go and get for run out. You see? So that you have to understand what going on. You have to understand what going on. But it's a sad day in Jamaica when a man who is qualified for a job was hired, vetted and hired, and then we have a political party out in the street campaigning, say him for losing job, say him not supposed to, it's him not qualified, and all these things, and tie that into everything about Andrew Holness. They spoke more about Andrew Holness and statutory declaration and then sitting there today. More than even Dennis Chung. Dennis Chung was just a side note. The whole thing today was a protest that they wanted to have for the longest time. And it went right back to Usain Bolt money. Angela Brownberg talked about Usain Bolt money same way. That's what I say. That's all it boiled down to. Usain Bolt money and Andrew Holness 28 bank account and not certified. Then that them go out there for. Them go out the bonnet. Because when name one of the man I say Mark Golding I say or one of the PNP man them I say them I wait for them lawyer to tell them if it is anything untoward. I say, so you wait for the lawyer to confirm if something wrong with this hiring, but you out there protest. So when me hear that now, I say, hold on, that doesn't make no sense. Because you have to talk to your lawyer them first and them that tell you, say, it was an unethical or illegal hiring or whatever it is, where some form of legal ramification is there. But you say, yeah, wait to hear back from your lawyer, from the lawyers, and you may take it to court. So I think say that exhaust them areas there before you go protest. Because what if your lawyer tell you say, yo, nothing wrong here, so? What if the court say, oh, this is a non-matter? You done protest already, so wait, when me hear them bring up that say them wait for the lawyer to give them information, me I say, what? Me I say, it's not about Dennis Chung. It's not about Dennis Chung. The main thing is them use Dennis Chung as a scapegoat because anybody, any citizen can go up on any platform them choose to go on and comment on whatever is happening in the social space. As social issues be, Dennis Chung has a right to speak on matters that is not violating or breaching anyone's constitutional right. So I cannot understand if a man say, yo, show me the evidence which by the Prime Minister is guilty of illicit enrichment. Because 28 bank account now cut it. Them know say where them a keep up is bull crap. Them know that. But them a deal with illiterate people. That are the problem. That is the main problem. Them a deal with illiterate people. You have people who worked at the Integrity Commission prior to this. We have similar qualification and there was no uproar. Them thing don't have to understand. No, zero uproar. Zero. Those are the things we have to understand. B. According to the information we will find, Sharon Crooks, bachelor's accounting and economics and master's in business admin. She was permanent at FID. Pamela F. Folks, chartered accountant with master's degree in finance and international trade. And how is she more qualified than Dennis Chung? She not have no background in law enforcement, according to the information. Sharon Crooks not have no background in law enforcement. So how is she more qualified than Dennis Chung? Yeah? Robin Sykes, attorney at law, masters in business admin, did academic work in money laundering, was permanent FID head. There's nothing here, or when I find nothing for say them in law enforcement for 12 years. Arden Tucker acted as FID head for over a year, degree in information technology. Degree in information technology. No law enforcement background. What we able to find? Yeah? Keep Darren, accountant with masters in accounting, acted as FID head. How is he different from, to me, based on what we find so far with Keith Darren? Him not as qualified as Dennis Chung. So what do you have a problem with that? Dennis Chung is a certified public accountant, a chartered accountant who holds a bachelor's of science and a master in science and accounting from the West Indies, University of West Indies. Yeah? Now over 35 years of experience in accounting and financial management. Yeah? He's a certified public accountant examiner. So when they must say he have no experience in examining finances or financial matters, that is rubbish. So the whole thing, it's not about Dennis Chung with Mark Gold in them. Them know some Dennis Chung qualified. Them know that. It's about exploiting the hiring. Exploiting the hiring. So them can go out there go spread propaganda. So them can go out there go rile up the people and tell the people because them know say, of course, when them do them campaign stop them and burn out, the campaign stop them burn out. So what you think of? The media now run go everywhere with them because they see a message. And they see a message everywhere them go, and they see a message, and they see a message, and they see a message. Now them say them are going to launch a protest. The media turn out. The media out there and they can get to spread some more propaganda to the camera. That's all it was. You see? That's all it was. How that going to work in the election? And the middle class have to understand and the labor rights have to understand how desperate the man is near Mark Golding. We have to understand how desperate this man is, and we have to go out and vote, brethren. We have to go from door to door and knock up back some labor rights whenever they vote and never want to vote. We enumerate it and make sure that people have vote. Because this high level of desperation is only, it must be concerning be. The high level of desperation from Mark Golding and him allies them. It's cause a concern. This. It's like him have something to prove. When you see a man like a Pickersgill out there. No Pickersgill. What name man? Phillips, sorry. I think Phillips retire. I never have people here say, oh, I'm not going to parliament. I never know him still in the politics. Peter Phillips. I never know some man still in politics. Yeah? So I never yet see him in parliament yet. I don't understand that. I don't understand. Him still in politics and I don't see him in parliament. Not from we not see him in the man in parliament. Him still an MP. Because today I see man him attack strong. Oh, somebody said no, he's not an MP. Him resign. So no him Mark Walling them go up against in an election for party president. I may I get it wrong. Because today I see man him attack Chung. Him attack Chung today like so him still not him not a seat again. Who have him seat now? Come in and see man. Me frightened, me see him today. Look like cause when me see him on the conference stage. He may look feeble. To them look strong. Vivian say I'm still MP. For where? No, sir. So I'm not going to parliament. Are them not going to parliament? Them not going to parliament. I never see that man in a parliament, Virgil. And to them, I see him out, them I say, ratted. The man attack strong. But all in all, people, I can tell you this is a sad day for Jamaica, Virgin. Yeah, man. Very, very sad day for Jamaica. Very sad day. That a man have to come out of them level of harassment here and bullies him. And bully them, literally, I bully the man. There's no separation. All of them images, we're going to dip on the internet forever. Just remember how the People's National Party bullied Dennis Chung. And that are the main thing we have to take from this, brethren. Just remember how the People's National Party bullied a citizen of this country that was vetted properly by the bodies, or the body will vet them for a job. Got the job, and the PNP bullied the man. Me all look at shark. Look at mongrel shark when they have. Me the man that send a threat to Dennis Chung. And me I say, if it were not a situation where I break the law, you just hold all him and just give him a 3 hard box. Me the man attack to Dennis Chung, the man attack. Man I say, yo, Dennis Chung have 24 hours. Because he might go cause revolution in Jamaica. And me I say, somebody can't hold a little fly and just box it on my wall. Them look shark, yeah. We take over the people in good PNP party. Somebody can't hold it and just get two loud backs, just get two loud backs. Because I want to know who you can get 24. Judge of God. One day I walk and see it, you know. One day I walk and see it, you know. And I say, I would like a ringworm here. They're on the internet, I try style up people. I must say, rah! I run, me see it run off, man. Yeah, man. Run like a thief. I say, rah! See, run like a thief and come on the internet, come put on camera, I say, them report me. I say, Mr. Mr. Rah! Run gone like a thief and say, them are going to file report. But me just say, rah! You see? It's wicked people. PNP level up this. First of all, the man try for the drill thing and now the drill thing done. All today when you hear they talk about the drill today in the campaign, the protest campaign, they not talk about no drill. They not talk about no drill today. The drill argument dead. Then find a new tune. Dennis Chung. Drill argument done. Next week, them gonna get the done on this poll next week. And that I go run a little steam too. Hey Papa. Yeah, I'm on my live. I'm gonna call you back in 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Wow, congrats. Wow. Damn. How much certificate is that? How many certificates are?
4.
4? You're cracking. Yeah, the brightest man I roll. I'm Huh? That's for this term, right? This term, right?
Yeah, 4th quarter.
Damn. Damn. Papa, congratulations.
Thank you.
I love you, Papa. Yeah. No talk about no sitting there today. Only hear talk about drill today. Drill thing done and realize that Dr. Daz head to for ever going now, Dr. Daz now. Change so extreme. He might get himself not be a problem. Dr. Daz get himself not too much problem. Cause you have to Dr. Daz now. He no skill like some of the other people in the PNP where them can talk without getting some form of legal, issues. You see what I say? Mark Golding skill. You can't grab him for nothing. When Dr. Daz out there talk about the Virgin own 40% shares in a company and I call up the man name, Mr. Williams. When Mark Golding talk about it, Mark Golding say 80% shares some man have no company. Him not call the man name, you know. Him just say some man have 80% shares in the company. Him not call the man name smart. So them realize that Dr. Daz in head at an emotional. Mr. Man say, Dr. Daz look like he used to get beat up when he little. So he always like emotional and like he want to cry. And him just a sweat like uncontrollable. So Mark Golding them don't see that and know say yo him too hot you know. So them have to cool him off. So you know you're nothing about no drill today. They're not talking about no drill today. All them talk about today, the main thing, not even Chung was the main problem today. The main problem today was Andrew Holness bank account them. The main problem was Andrew Holness statutory declaration. That was the main thing. Because them things say Dennis Chung I got uncover something where them did a hide. Whether something them did a hide if you try bring down Andrew Holness and they're afraid that this man is gonna expose them. And that's the problem I say, you know. Mark Golding them afraid. So this man is going to expose something either about them, I believe, or something what them do to Andrew Holness. Because trust me, Dennis Chung I got to talk the truth. He might talk the truth. Because he was going to say if Dennis Chung was a weak fence, or a person with timid, that pressure that make him buckle. Because them say people that talk about call him and say, yo, think about your family. Them think they are serious threat, them think if that is true. I'm gonna say, yo, think about your family. See, that is like when people tell me, say, leave politics alone. Remember, say, me have my family. You understand what I say? When somebody are calling and they say, yo, load that job there. You know, remember your family. That's what we have to take seriously. But Dennis Chung, he was unbothered. The Mark Golding just look like a fool. Dennis Chung was unbothered. Man, I trolled them. I trolled the man literally. I trolled them. The man a stressful day on the job. A stress-free day on the job, excuse me. You see? I trolled him, just I trolled them. Whatever they must say, what Andrew afraid of. Andrew never need Dennis Chung to do nothing. Andrew Holness matter is in the courts. And what we fail to understand, you know? We fail to understand the comrades. Mark Golding comrades. When I go and like say somebody did care, Andrew Holness got court. Andrew Holness asked for the review, you know. So if Andrew Holness said I'm sitting for hide, he would ask a judicial review. Me not think so. A judicial review, me not think so. So now go and like say at the IC car, Andrew Holness got court. Andrew Holness asked for a review. Pan the conduct and the handling of his finances. So there is nothing in front of, there's nothing at the FID for Mr. Chung investigate Andrew Holness. So it's sad to see how Mark Golding exploit the illiterate people them and I make them believe say this man will have to investigate or there is a pending a current investigation of Andrew Holness at FID. And that's sickening, you know. That terrible, man. I saw me here do John and say something, you know. I may just realize it's true, a real thing, you know. The local government election, you know, say people that believe say they might vote out Andrew Holness. In the local government election, people believed that the government are going to change. When you see people that run out in the street and I get excited and there's something there, I was wondering, you know, because I never see that for a local government election yet. Where people are take to the street and are beat down places and are blow up vuvuzela and me say, yo, me never see this yet. The people and things say Mark Golding are going to become Prime Minister in a local government election that go on one day. So they go around and tell the people them say, Andrew got to go, and the people them go, no. And through Labour right now say, I know general election, Labour then, as usual, not really follow up local government election like that. The people thought they were getting with Andrew Holness. So where hear the woman said today? Where hear the people must say? All them must say, yo, Andrew got to go. Andrew call it. Is that how them tell the people them say, yo, we could protest for Andrew step down. Andrew now step down. It's an illusion. Mark Golding them is a con Mark Golding that say the people, you know. If them go out there and do them something here, Andrew Holness are going to resign, you know. I'm going to step down, you know. Andrew Holness got to go. The people might believe, say, yo, we're going to get rid of no election of a call. There's no way Andrew Holness are going to step down from nowhere. That's something that we Mark Golding and sell the people them. It's sickening be. We almost at any minute now at any minute now election can call. And Mark Golding has so little confidence in himself where he might have to try to get the people them for turn Jamaica upside down. For gain power. This is a whole little bit in believe say the PNP can win that something. You know. Mark Golding them knows that the only chance them have it turn the place upside down. Because people will vote out current administration in a time of disaster. It never worked for them in a COVID. But they might try again. Because they know them can't beat Andrew Holness. They cannot beat Andrew Holness when it comes down to policies. They can't beat Andrew Holness when it comes down to good governance. They cannot beat him. They cannot challenge him in other regard. So them have to go to them extreme and them have to go. Them have to have, is that the man them run around and I look everything like, yo, everything the people them find a problem with to go campaign on it. Everything. That's a problem. But how much of this them can do? Jamaican people, labor rights, you know, don't forget what them do to the money. I make certain say, them people feel it at the poll. Mark